Welcome back to our Automotive Corner today. We've got some exciting news from Audi. Now let's talk about the big announcement from Audi this year. They're revamping their model naming system, and it's causing quite a stir. According to the latest scoop, new electric models will be sporting even numbers, while their internal combustion counterparts will rock odd numbers. So, what does this mean for the successor to the current A4? Well, say hello to the A5. But that's not the end of the story. The A5 name isn't just being handed down, it's finding a new home on an all-electric car. Exciting, right? While there's not much info on the looks of this electric beauty, spy photographers have caught glimpses of the traditional station wagon during testing. In the most recent photos, the car sheds its camouflage, revealing a design that maintains its classic proportions, but takes a cue from the sleek e-tron GT electric sedan with more rounded aesthetics. Up front, a compact radiator grille catches the eye, breaking away from current automotive trends. The headlights, while simple in shape, sport LED running lights reminiscent of the restyled A4. Side views reveal unique door handles and smooth protrusions above the rear wheel arches, adding a touch of mystery to the A5's silhouette. The only lingering question? The graphics of the LEDs in the lights, though it's clear they'll span the entire width of the stern. Under the hood, the new Audi A5 isn't just about looks. It's retaining the MLB Evo platform, and there's a game changer, hybrid power units joining the lineup. The station wagon isn't the only player. Expect a 5-door liftback with the signature Sportback prefix. As for a new sedan, the jury's still out, with no information surfacing about this body type in the new generation. Get ready for a front row seat to the grand reveal because the premiere of the new Audi A5 is just around the corner. We're expecting all the juicy details to drop in the coming months. So, make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for the latest on Audi's electrifying evolution. Until then, happy driving.